Hello, my name is Lois and you are welcome to my Adobe Photoshop beginners class, where you'll be learning everything you need to know about designing from the very scratch. For ease of teaching and learning, we'll be teaching in bits so you can grasp everything on time. For today's class, we'll be teaching you the meaning of Adobe Photoshop and how to open a document. Adobe Photoshop is the leading image editing application for internet, print, and other media disciplines. It is embraced by millions of graphic artists, print designers, visual communicators, and other regular people like you and I. It may also interest you to know that most of the prints you see out there, either as brochures and magazines, as flyers, all have either been created or edited using Photoshop app. So you see, it's a skill that you have to learn, which will become a financial advantage to you, either directly or indirectly. So you're welcome to class. So let's quickly go over to how you can open the document. You go to File right over here at the top menu bar. As you can see, click on File and go to New. You click on New. Now you see the recent items I've worked with here. Here is the custom. Here is the one you work with, or you go over here to define the orientation of your document. If you want to be a landscape or portrait, this is where you make it out. You can also change measurement you want to use. It could be in pixels, inches, centimeters, and millimeters, as you wish. Let's go for inches. For example, we have this. I want to make it a rounded number. I use 6 here and I use 4 here. Width 6, height 4. Then go over to say OK. Remember there are other things here for the resolution. It's how bright and how colorful you want your document, your project to look like. When for your color mode, let's leave it at this. You have other options here. If you have your bitmap, your grayscale, RGB, CMYK colors, as time goes on, you get to understand all of that. Okay, then there are other backgrounds. Apart from this white, you have the black background, the transparent, and custom. Let's leave it with a white background, since I'm just showing you something. We're not really doing much work today. So you go over and you create. After fixing your digits here, you go over and create. Click on create, and here is your page. It's really a big document. It's really a big document. You can make it smaller depending on what you want. Remember, it's big like this. You can zoom it in and zoom it out. We'll also come to that. Now this is a landscape document. Because let's go over quickly to the file. Once more, click on new and go and height 7 for portrait document. Let's make width 4 and height 7. And create. That's a portrait document. I'm very sure that you now understand the difference between a portrait and a landscape document, and you would be able to create one yourself. From file, go to new, click on any custom, then go over to change the details for the orientation that you want, either for a landscape or a portrait. Thank you.